Have you ever wondered if your job will still exist in a few years? It's a scary thought, right? With AI and automation advancing at lightning speed, headlines are screaming about mass job losses. But what if I told you that the future isn't about asterisk fewer asterisk jobs, but asterisk different asterisk jobs? Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal the five job categories that are not just surviving, but are set to thrive in 2030 and beyond. And stick around because the last one might completely surprise you and change how you think about your career. First up, let's talk about the creators and entertainers. Think about it. AI can write a song, but can it perform it with the raw emotion that connects with a live audience? Can it create a viral video that captures the zeitgeist of a generation? Humans crave connection, stories, and shared experiences. That's why artists, musicians, writers, influencers, and entertainers will always be in demand. We're not just consuming content. We're looking for authenticity and a human touch. In a world saturated with AI-generated content, the unique, personal, and creative voice of a human will become an even more valuable and sought-after commodity. So, if you're a creative soul, your future is looking brighter than ever. Next, we have the strategists and high-level decision makers. AI is an incredible tool for analyzing data and spotting patterns, but it can't replace human intuition, ethical judgment, or long-term strategic vision. Imagine a CEO, a military general, or a top-level government official. Their roles involve complex negotiations, managing human relationships, and making high-stakes decisions where context and morality are crucial. And I can present the options. But it can't bear the responsibility or understand the nuanced human impact of those choices. These leadership roles require a blend of experience, wisdom, and emotional intelligence that is, for now, uniquely human. They are the captains of the ship using AI as their advanced navigation system. But ultimately, they are the ones steering us into the future. The third category is jobs that require deep human empathy and connection. I'm talking about healthcare professionals, therapists, social workers, and teachers. Can I truly comfort a patient, understand a child's struggles, or guide someone through a deep personal crisis? These jobs are built on a foundation of trust, compassion, and understanding. A robot can administer medicine, but it can't hold a hand and provide genuine reassurance. A program can deliver a lesson, but it can't inspire a student or notice when they're feeling left out. As technology makes our lives more efficient, our need for real human connection will only grow stronger. These caring professions are not just safe. They're essential to the well-being of our society. If you're passionate about helping others, your skills will be more valuable than ever. Moving on to number 4, the AI and tech experts. This one might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Who do you think is building, maintaining, and improving all this world-changing technology? Humans. We'll need AI developers, data scientists, robotics engineers, and cybersecurity experts more than ever before. These are the architects of the new world. They're the ones teaching the machines, fixing them when they break, and ensuring they operate ethically and safely. The demand for these skills is already skyrocketing, and it's not going to slow down. But it's not just about coding. It's about creative problem solving, critical thinking, and designing the systems that will shape our future. This field is a gateway to incredible opportunities for anyone willing to learn and adapt. And now for the fifth and final category, the one I promised would surprise you. It's skilled trades and hands-on artisans. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters, master chefs, and hairstylists. Think about it. Can a robot navigate the unique, complex plumbing of a 100-year-old house? Can an AI give you a haircut that perfectly suits your face shape and personality while also making great conversation? These jobs require a combination of manual dexterity, spatial reasoning, and on-the-spot problem solving in unpredictable real-world environments. They blend technical skill with a creative or service-oriented touch. While we're focused on the digital world, the physical world still needs building, maintaining, and beautifying. So while some jobs get automated away, The demand for skilled, reliable craftspeople who can work with their hands is poised to remain incredibly strong.